Thank you for tuning in. We're going to talk today about light adjustment and placement when it comes to setting up your webcam. Today's conversation comes from a webcam coaching session that we did with Aly Luccari. We kind of get into the nuts and bolts of lighting with your webcam. Can you crank it up at all? Oh yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so that's actually your best color balance right there. Yeah.
So I can just schedule all of my Zoom events for 1 o'clock on a sunny day and leave everything.
Yeah. Well, this is the hard thing with video in general, right? Is there's going to be some adjustments at the moment of. So like this setup looks very different, my own, when it's a super sunny day versus a cloudy day versus the middle of the night, and I have to adjust my lighting every time. But the general principles are always the same, right? Like if you don't have any other light in the room, put that thing front and center and let that ring light like kind of, fill your face. And right now you're probably still a little hot from the sun. So if you shifted it off to your left a little bit, like just outside of the space of the camera, then I think you're going to be in as good a shape as you can currently. So.
And by hot, you mean
hot? Yeah, sorry. Yes, hot is too bright. So if it starts to get, I'll do it on mine here. So if you start to see a real difference, right? I'm real dark over here and much lighter here. That's hot. And when it gets too hot, and some of it, you don't even have any control over it when you're using a webcam. It's just typically whatever the webcam wants to do for you. But it gets hot here, and then as I bring that ring light up to kind of even it out, so everything's a similar kind of exposure, I guess, then it ends up looking a little better, a little more even. So yeah, I think this is like my best look on my webcam. So thank you for tuning in. Please check the cards and the description of this video for more content. And please sign up for a free webcam coaching session. We can help you get the most video quality out of the gear that you already have.